Scorpio. This is your channel messages for the 28th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Scorpio, the dead, Jesus Christ. You know, me hear about that girl a long time ago, and everybody just says she mad, and she probably is mad, but I watch an interview with her, and I was watching her diction, I watch how she speak. I don't know how long ago this interview was. I would like to send a grand rising to my... I'm born May 13th. I don't want to get her title wrong. But this, what can I call her? Morning Star. So I'm born May 13th. This Morning Star is born May 31st, so it's inside out. She's now 33 years old, which means that she has now walked through the door of with a 33 degrees masonry. Okay, whatever the fuck she study. None other than I would like to send a grand rising to the beautiful, to the talented, to the witch that look like she leading us, which is Azealia Banks. Yes, Miss Gemini. The 31st, 1991. She's now 33 years old, so she's going to be starting her pilgrimage soon. Miss Azealia Banks, I've been hearing a lot of things about you since forever. We know that you used to do. I heard even white people, even white bitches follow Azealia Banks. You know that? Even white women follow her. White women, I have met a white woman who reintroduced me to Azealia Banks and tell me the type of spell she taught her to do. So, first of all, Azealia, the reason why you're so protected is because there's white witches who protect you, and these white witches use blood. I know you use blood too, but you might use blood in a certain type of way because you're black. You understand? You're melanated. Regardless of where your mother teach you, you are melanated. You have some white witch. Some gal were willing for blood up themselves and walk on blood clot road in the name of Azealia Banks. Sorry, not Iggy Azealia. And I put down and I cut down and I took and I put and nah, that ain't it, man. Iggy is okay here. That the fuck with you is okay, Iggy. It's okay. Anyways, Azealia Banks, you have women who are willing to walk around with blood stains on them in the name of you. So I just want to send a grand rising to Azealia Banks this morning. I hope she's okay. Hopefully I could channel her in my readings. I have picked up Aleister Crowley, so I don't think Azealia Banks would be that scary for me. Nevertheless, my fellow Gemini, my fellow number 4, because we're inside out, right? Yeah, let's just go ahead into the reading. American rapper and songwriter. So you need to change that to the American. I don't even want to get that title. Azealia Banks. We have Libra coming out first. Okay, so you might be dealing with a Libra, or that is the other side of the scale. Who's your birth twin? Who's your opposite birth twin? Your inside out birthday. Because she born May 31st, me born May 13th. Allegedly. Alright, we have the Sun card. Something about a baby. Or something about the baby of a Libra. The baby of a Libra. Or something about a Libra and a Leo. We have program. We have go outside. You need to be careful. I feel like something gonna happen to your son. Your son is a baby boy. You want one Libra, your son is one boy. Something gonna happen to your son. We have bears, or you do something to somebody. I don't know if Libra, you do something to somebody, you do something to Azealia Banks, I don't know what you do, but whatever you do to somebody, they're gonna take it out on your child. Your son gonna get, oh fuck Libra, I don't know what you do. I don't know what the fuck you did, Libra. I'm getting something you did to somebody. Maybe you make one girl a barf for her baby and then rub your baby in her face. Or I don't know if you take a girl baby and give to somebody else, another woman, so she could have take care of the baby. Maybe you prevent somebody from ever having kids, making them come for yours. Also, hi Azealia Banks.
Hi. So here one. We all got issues.
I hope you're okay.
Nah, man.
We have Scorpio, we have underrated, and we have use protection, whatever that means. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. See what your channel message is, and see if we can pick up the Gemini. I don't know where our birth chart is. Should I look? Let me look. When, where have you been? No. Azealia Banks' birth chart. Let us go into this. Gemini Sun, ascending Taurus, Moon is Capricorn, blood clot. That this woman is a Gemini Sun, Capricorn Moon. Bruh. You see the thing what she posts when she went on Wild and Out and DC Young Fly did my car and hold them the door. You remember how them the door bad pan Wild and Out? And then Mr. One post when DC Fly baby mother did dead. She posts DC Fly baby mother dead pan her birthday. DC Fly baby mother dead at 32 when Azealia Banks turned 32, and she posts on her social media. Isn't it strange that how DC wife dead at 32 on her 32nd birthday? Y'all bitches gonna know not to play with me. You think she killed him, wife? This is a Gemini Sun, Capricorn Moon. Even if she was never accused of a witch, I'm still concerned as a person. Okay, the fuck. Okay, let's see. Wait, let me look on our next chart. This is a Gemini Sun, Capricorn fucking Moon. Bro, we all gonna die. Okay, let's look. Wait. I'm trying to get our other astrological placement. Ooh. Wait, Azealia. Yeah, you're gonna watch me watch Azealia. So what the fuck are you gonna do? Azealia, Capricorn, this could be for you. So again, Azealia, you may or may not know this. I'm pretty sure she's high level, very, very high level person. She's 33 now. Okay, so the first two cards I pulled was Libra and the Sun card. So Azealia, your Venus is in Cancer. Cancer rules the mother. That means even though, all right, so something about your love life. Something also about, okay, so where your karma is in. Your karma is where Saturn or Aquarius. Okay, Azealia, your Saturn is not, you might know this already, but I'm just giving it to you from the Hierophant Guru / Jacronian point of view. Your Saturn is in Aquarius. Your Saturn is your karma. Your Venus is in Cancer. Me getting almost any baby you're gonna be forced to terminate it, or you're gonna miscarry, or me getting Satan gonna take your baby from you. Satan is going to take your child from you because your moon sign is a Capricorn. Capricorn is also your karma, which is also Aquarius. Aquarius is for the people. Them is a philanthropy. Because your moon sign is Capricorn, which means you in some devil shit. And your Venus is Cancer, which means even though you're in some devil shit, you still need to trap somebody. Your Saturn in Aquarius means that you've been doing magic on people, thus you will not be with a child of your own. Me getting if you have a child, you're gonna miscarry, you're gonna abort, or you're gonna go through a very fucked up pregnancy. Your Venus in Cancer. Because your Capricorn is Moon, but your Capricorn is Saturn, and your Saturn are Aquarius. You were supposed to be doing magic for the people, not against them.
Please don't do no magic for me, Azealia. Come and believe in your magic. I believe in it so much, Jesus Christ. Please don't do no more for me, fight for my fucking life.
Please, right? So that's what I'm saying. But also getting another node is Capricorn. So that means, ma'am, you are exactly where Satan wants you to be. You don't have kids in your lifetime. You're another node of Capricorn. That's why you're another node of Capricorn. You got white women walking around with blood stains in the name of fucking you. Did you know this? Did you know this, Azealia? These white women can also speak French. You didn't know this? I want white woman make me know she. I knew her. I know of her. I never really dabble in her. I never really listen to her music. I hear Hollywood talk about her. But I'm the type of person, all when Hollywood had done you, I will still do this. And do my research to see if it's right. And I'm kind of glad I never ever side with Hollywood to this day. With anybody. Because then I would not have known who the fuck Azealia Banks was. You're another node of Capricorn. You're gonna have a cult. You're also where the devil wants you to be. Your moon sign is Capricorn, so the devil lives inside of you. But your Saturn are Aquarius, so that's how the devil trick you. You feel a sense of belonging when you are of the dark side. But the devil know that at the end of your life, when you don't have the bones to be dark, or you don't have the heart palpitations to be dark, that's when the devil trick you. Saturn in Aquarius could say you die alone, you're dead alone in one room alone with no help. You're dead in one room and whether you was choking or you had gas for air or something happened to you, you drop off of somewhere, you're stuck somewhere, me getting usually that's a Saturn. That's usually, not how you got end, but that's usually Saturn. If we're talking about the birth charts, in my interpretation, I don't know if any other tarot reader can interpret it like me. My interpretation of her birth chart is Saturn in Aquarius, you usually die alone. Or you got, for example, you're stuck in one bowl, one rock drop on your foot. And you're somewhere far, far away, nobody can hear you, you can't do nothing, you're just dead, a starvation and that. Saturn Aquarius did that to you. Because Saturn says your karma come from how much people you help. And according to your another known, you ain't helping people. You are cutting the necks of them and dripping the blood, forget where you are. Which is your rightful place. But remember, the devil will still trick you. Even when the devil knows you, the devil will trick you. So I'm getting something about your son. Or this baby you was supposed to have, something about a baby. Whether the Libra trick you and take it from you, or me getting, that's the karma you did. That's your karma. That's the exchange of getting these powers. You don't have kids. You can't have a kid. If you have a child, it will be given to Satan. And no spell that you can do can stop that. Believe me. We have a 10 of Wands coming out first. So I'm getting something is not, so a due date is here and something is not finished. We have a 6 of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting you're going to have to do the party and it's not finish. Maybe there's no decorations, there's no, I'm getting it have to celebrate now, it have to go. You have to just be ready. It may not be fixed up, it may not be completed, but I'm getting people coming in, people are sit down, like you have a crowd there. I don't know if this is a housewarming or I'm getting you were supposed to build something up and people come over and celebrate. I'm getting the place isn't finished, but the people showing up anyways. We have the 5 of Pentacles. Maybe you were hoping for people to show up, nobody showed up. I'm getting you were having a grand opening, maybe the grand opening date was changed. I'm getting when the date came, nobody came. Nobody showed up to this event. We have the 7 of Swords. We have 77 again, which is a trap. I'm getting something about this trap. Somebody is going to give you somebody will give you one project or they're going to give you something that's unfinished and they expect you to finish it. That's like you give me a fucking code and you tell me, oh, the other technician just write the first code. You just continue coding and make the program. No, you're going to have to be going over the first code as errors and anything he did. You may have to just delete everything and rewrite the whole fucking code. So I'm getting, because something wasn't finished, I'm getting like a house was supposed to be finished or something like that, but it's not finished. I'm getting somebody a buy time. Unless somebody don't want you know, say after you move into this place, they're gonna lock you out. I'm getting something got stolen from you, you get steal. 77, I don't like this. And that's why them lock Azealia banks out of Hollywood, you know. Because usually when they go in Hollywood, them do MK Ultra on you. They couldn't do it on she. They could not do it on her. That's why you know, so when she have fans are real blood clot fans. Them couldn't do MK Ultra on Azealia banks. They was like, this bitch too advanced for us. Yo, I better blacklist her. Because we don't know what she's going to do in Hollywood. Right? The Ace of Wands. Yeah, she know about magic. Usually them, when you're in Hollywood, them do MK Ultra on you, you act weird on TV, you forget your lines, you don't know nothing. Yes, you're the one who do MK Ultra on the people them. Or me getting that them want something about them, they want you to come on camera and them I go record you and them I go use the recording in a one magical. Them I go use your recording in a one ceremony. Me getting somebody I use your video them for the magic, to take away your magic. So it's like the next day you get up, you don't remember how for the magic, you don't remember how, oh shit, I forgot to do my morning ritual today, what the fuck happened? Me getting something about somebody I use videos of you in some type of spell work. Me getting somebody want to get rid of your magic, or me getting Me getting there may be a due date where you're going to go somewhere and people expect you to display your gifts. Me getting somebody that trying to blind you or take it away from you before you reach this destination to display these gifts to whoever people this is. Cause me getting whether the setting is okay or not, the people them don't care, them just want to come. So maybe somebody has sabotaged you, you were supposed to have a grand opening. Somebody's like, it's not finished yet. And we have the Moon card and the Hangman. This could also be you never realize that people do magic. You never realize somebody talented. Maybe you never believe somebody when them say, yeah, I have gifts, I know for them things, yeah. Even if you don't believe in magic, you should be very wary when you see a man have a hoodie and I go under the moon and I burn some cloth things in the night. You should be wary. Me getting something about somebody, me getting stealing of spiritual gifts, or somebody that try to blind your spiritual gifts. Or me getting something about to get locked up because you wouldn't side with. This could be that you side with too much. You're too familiar and you like your own kind too much, Azealia. This is the problem, 3 packs of sugar. Remember, a white woman love her. White women will be bleeding and walking on the road with blood on them in the name of Azealia Banks. I witnessed that with my eyes. That's how I know she was the one not to fuck with. And if you look on our chart is a box. Our chart is literally, it's not a circle, it's not a thing we go so, like a 5-star pentagram. Our chart is a box like this, turned sideways. This is our, everything line up in our chart, yes, so. Our chart looks like this sideways. Everything is in this, everything is in the constellations of Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Leo, Cancer, Gemini, and Taurus. She have nothing in Aries, nothing in Pisces. That means our head can't get cut off, or them are going to target to cut off our head. Them are going to target to cut off our foot them too. Because she don't have no zodiac sign in Aries which rule the head, or Pisces which rule the foot. She have nothing in Libra either. So because she have nothing in Libra, her justice will be karma, which them are going to take your son, them are going to take your offspring. She also has nothing in Virgo, so you need to be careful of your health. Because them will attack that too. Make it, the magic pan you make you not want to eat or copy your whole eating shit, okay? I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.